Why animals are better architects than humans. Termites build self-cooling skyscrapers, and they don't even use blueprints. Sounds wild, right? Welcome to the fascinating world of natural engineering, where animals aren't just builders, they're bioengineering legends. Today, we're diving deep into a hidden world. A world where architecture is silent, designs are flawless, and the engineers, they don't know calculus, but still beat the best of us. This is the science behind why animals might just be better architects than humans. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at a spider, bird, or bug the same way again. Let's go. 1. Termite mounds. Nature's air-conditioned skyscrapers. Picture this. A 6-foot-tall human trying to build a skyscraper 21,000 feet high, using no crane, no computer, and no concrete. Sounds impossible? That's exactly what termites are doing. Their mounds can reach up to 30 feet tall, especially in the blazing savannas of Africa. But here's the mind-blowing part. Inside those giant mud towers, the temperature remains constant, even when it's scorching hot outside or freezing at night. How? Because termites design their mounds with a natural ventilation system, more efficient than many modern HVAC setups. They create internal chimneys, build porous walls, and engineer air shafts that keep air flowing perfectly. And guess what? Modern architects are now studying termite mounds to design eco-friendly buildings. So, who's copying whom now? 2. Beehives, hexagonal perfection. Now let's talk about bees, nature's mathematical geniuses. Ever wondered why bees build their hives in hexagons? It's not just random. The hexagon is the most efficient shape. It holds the most honey with the least amount of wax. It perfectly fills space without any gaps and uses minimal material. Even top engineers and mathematicians have gone, wait, how do they know this? And the truth is, they don't. But millions of years of evolution have turned their instincts into engineering mastery. Einstein once said, if the bee disappeared off the face of the earth, man would only have 4 years left to live. And I say, if we understood bees fully, we might just redesign our cities smarter. 3. Spider webs, stronger than steel. Let's step into the spookiest lab of nature, the spider's web. Spider silk is 5 times stronger than steel of the same thickness, and yet it's softer than the pillow you sleep on. Their webs are marvels of tension and geometry, similar to suspension bridges we humans build. And here's the kicker. Scientists, including NASA, are studying spider silk to create next-gen materials for spacecraft and more. Just imagine, an 8-legged creature with no internet access is creating a material we still can't replicate in labs. Supernatural? Nope. That's just nature flexing on us. 4. Bird nests, tiny homes, big design. Think birds just throw together some sticks and call it a day? Think again. Some birds, like the weaver bird, carefully knot twigs, braid grass, and engineer nests that are not just strong. They're windproof, rainproof, and even predator-resistant. And then there's the bowerbird. These guys go full interior decorator mode, using colored shells, flowers, and even bits of trash to design and impress potential mates. Basically, they were doing feng shui with leaves and pulling it off better than our average home makeover show. We spend thousands at IKEA. They build homes with twigs and still get compliments. 5. Ant colonies, underground megacities. Let's go underground, to the world of ants. You've seen an anthill, right? Looks like a small pile of dirt. Well, beneath that pile lies an underground metropolis. These colonies have roads, chambers, food storage zones, nurseries, even waste management systems. No GPS, no command center, just pure pheromone-based communication. At MIT, scientists once poured concrete into an abandoned anthill to study it. What they excavated was mind-blowing. An entire labyrinth of tunnels and chambers with perfect airflow and optimized layout. Some colonies stretch across thousands of square feet with millions of ants working in harmony. And we humans? Still getting stuck in traffic on roads designed by city planners. So what's the secret behind animal architecture? Simple. Animals don't build to show off. They build to survive, efficiently, sustainably. They don't care about aesthetics. They don't chase awards or likes on Instagram. They build for purpose, not praise. That's the difference. While we design to impress, nature designs to last. As Leonardo da Vinci once said, human subtlety will never devise an invention more beautiful, more simple, or more direct than does nature. Even today, architects are turning to a concept called biomimicry, copying nature's designs to build the cities of the future. Are we really the smartest builders? Let's be honest here. We've built towers that collapse, bridges that fail, and cities that suffocate in pollution. Meanwhile, termites are still building zero-waste, temperature-controlled towers in the middle of nowhere. Bees are still optimizing space like pros. Spiders are still weaving space-age material in your backyard. So the next time you walk past a bird building its nest, or a spider spinning its web in the corner, stop and salute. Because these creatures, they're the original architects of Earth. And maybe, just maybe, it's time we go back to school. Nature's school. That's it for today's mind-blowing episode, Dustin. Like, share, and comment below if you want more science stories that hit harder than a spider's silk. And remember, the next time you walk into a skyscraper, just know, it might be inspired by a bug.